Distributive principle. And this has applications when there's other numbers in front of the brackets. So what number is there if you don't see it, if no number is written?
1.
It's a 1, okay? So there's really a 1 there. What you do is any number that's out front here gets multiplied by each of those numbers inside. So this becomes 6x plus 2x squared minus 1. And then what's negative 1 times positive 8? Negative 8. So I write, yeah, it's the same thing as flipping it, but later on there's actually a number there that's not 1. That's why I want to introduce this principle. So it's negative 8x. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3x squared, because the variable always stays the same. And then negative 1 times negative 7 becomes positive 7. So this is, we're essentially just flipping all the signs, all right? Later on, it won't be a 1 in front. It'll be a negative 2 or something like that. So that's why I want to practice this distributive principle. And then it's just like terms. Exactly the same way we've been doing it. So in this case, 2x and negative 3x.
1x.
2 minus 3. Negative 1x, or negative x squared. Okay? So if you went 2x squared minus 3x squared is negative 1x squared, or just negative x squared. Six x and negative 8x. What's 6 minus 8? Negative 2. And then the final one is negative 1 and positive 7. Do it down here. Thank you. That's important. And then negative 1 plus 7 is positive 6, or just 6. So then this whole thing becomes negative x squared minus 2x plus 6. So all the distributive principle does is it distributes, hence the name, whatever's out here into every single term in there. And like I said, later on, it won't just be a negative 1. It could be a negative 2, a negative 3, a negative 1/2. It could be anything. It could be negative x if you wanted. Okay, so that's down the road. All right. Just be careful with your signs. If it's let's do the first one, and then I'll let you practice these. So the first one, because people mess up on the signs all the time. So first bracket just stays the same. Oh my gosh. There we go. This negative will flip all the signs. So what happens to the first term? Negative 10x becomes positive 10x.
You gotta add the other line to make an x.
I thought I did. My x's don't want to write for some reason. Thank you. So positive 10x. What happens to the 6, the positive 6 in that bracket? Becomes negative 6. And then the final one, negative 2x squared, becomes positive 2x squared. So you're right in that everything just flips. It just flips all the signs. And then it's just like terms. 7x squared plus 2x squared. 2x plus 10x, negative 15 minus 6. And you get 9x squared plus 12x minus 21. Okay? I really just wanted to emphasize the distributive principle. Yes?
So if there's no numbers, like in between the graphic, can we just put the other one?
If there's no number, can you just, sorry, what?
Just second?
Yes. Yeah. But we'll see later on that, yeah, that won't. But for right now, that's all we're going to look at is just the negative. So there's no number. All right. Finish that side of the sheet and the back side, please.